is show you how to set up your saw. So you have the frame and you have the blades. Now I buy my blades by the dozen. It actually works for me, so I don't have to keep running back and forth to the supply place, or am ordering it online. So they come with 12 dozen, and I'm going to take one. Now the important thing about the blade, this is 2.2/0. The important thing about the blade is that the teeth are facing down. So when you're cutting down. So you're cutting into the metal with the teeth coming down. So as you can see, I have my frame, my saw frame right here. And I'm going to put it in one piece at a time. So I'm going to put the saw frame, the saw blade is pointing down when I'm checking to make sure. And I'm going to put it in very carefully, slow. And I'm going to close this so this way I have a grip. I'm going to open up the back because I may need to adjust the height. All right, so let's make sure this one's open. All right, so once it's open, I'm going to put it through. Hold it. Now, this is how I hold it when I'm putting it in. I have it up against my body, and I'm going to turn. So I got a good catch here. So I'm turning. Now, this is in. Now you see how it's not sturdy? It's not in. You can see. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to pull in either direction. So I'm going to use my thumb to stabilize it. I'm going to turn it. So now, let's do the test. It's in. So it's pretty sturdy. And I can actually start cutting with it. So again, the teeth are down. Check. Teeth are down. And it's securely in. So no. Also, when you're cutting, you're not cutting at an angle because you'll pop the blade. You're cutting down. So you're coming in gradually. So it's down like this. So you're cutting in an